Hi, I'm Patsy Wallace, and I'm here to give you the March 7th Congress preview. On the main agenda for the morning will be Sarah Gaines from Morrilton. She'll be delivering the Relationship-Based Care, our professional practice model in action. Nikki Miner will present our Service Hero Award. Cindy Goza will be presenting the Star Award. Jenny Bradford will deliver the Great Catch story, and Kathy Neely will be doing our general announcements. Elizabeth Mahan in the Clinical Education Department will be delivering some information about our practice updates, the RIMED Envision Plus connector. I know you've seen some of the educators coming around delivering some education on that, so she'll be updating the group with that information. Jackie Arnold, the Director of Clinical Education, will be delivering a simulation lab update. On the clinical informatics agenda, you'll have the ongoing clinical informatics projects. They'll deliver an update about that, and their council will be reviewing a lot of the electronic documentation. And on the Nursing Research Council, they'll be talking about the journal club presentations and discussing the active research studies that are going on in the organization. Remember, if you're interested in performing research, just get with one of the members of the Nursing Research Council. On the Nursing Roles and Relationship Care Council, they'll be discussing the Congress Greeter, and he'll be doing that at the March meeting, the Star and Compassionate Care Awards, and how to increase the employees' attitude and morale. So we've got a lot going on. Patient Education Council will be discussing the Patient Point presentation. That is a pamphlet that committee is working on to give the patients with our organization information. They'll be also talking about the patient information folders. Those will be folders that we can hand out to the patients that will have hard copies of information that they'll need as well. The Patient Throughput Council. That council will be talking about their transportation goals and the throughput nursing support team. The Environmental Service Turnaround Time is also on their agenda. The Policy Development Review Council is busy as always. They're talking about a lot of policies that are coming up and those that are up for annual review. Some of the revision policies that are on the agenda are the telemetry transmitter devices and the specialty bed and negative pressure wound therapy policy. So please read that, and if you have any information regarding those policies, get in touch with one of the Policy Council members. The Resuscitation Advisory Council. They'll be discussing the Code Whites, the Code Blues, our mock codes that are going to be transitioning to the simulation lab, and the Code White policy update will be on their agenda. The RN Recruitment Retention Council. That council will be reviewing the dashboards, the DAISY Awards, the night shift friendly action planning, and the graduation recognition. We want to recognize all of those that are in school and that will be graduating soon. So please let your supervisors know that so that we can celebrate you. The Safety and Quality Council, of course, they're always talking about the quality data in the organization, the nurse-driven data, which would be the restraint team will be giving an update, the blood culture contamination team is giving an update, safety stories, and the fall team and the hospital-acquired pressure ulcers update will be delivered during that meeting. The Staff Education Council are reviewing the CBO tools. The new nurses that come into the organization have to complete the competency-based orientation tool, so they're always looking at ways to update that tool. So that's it for your Congress preview for March 7th. We're looking forward to seeing you there, and contact any Congress member if you have any thoughts or concerns about what's on our agenda. Thank you so much.